Well, gosh, art it. One of the hardest things that I have experienced is that nagging feeling that perfection is the goal of a creation. But that's just not true. Creating something is about that feeling of satisfaction, the I did a thing hug around the heart sensation. Hi, I'm DJ Smiles, and in this video, let's do a thing that is a great tool, a nice mindfulness exercise, and gives you that feel-good boost each time you do a smidge more. Introducing the image book. Start with a 3-prong folder or binder with loose leaf paper, a notebook or a large journal. The other supplies needed are a glue stick, scissors, and images. I gave my image book a cover and a title page. You can go plain or go fancy. The images can come from anywhere. I prefer magazines and junk mail, but you can also use photos, printed screen grabs, and really the possibilities are endless. The way to keep the cost down is to visit your library's used book sales area. Just ask your librarian if you don't know where they keep theirs. A lot of libraries have magazines and such for less than $1. The thrift shops are also a great place too. Now, once you have your images cut and ready, get to gluing them into your book. There is absolutely no right way or wrong way to put these images into the book. I'm constantly adding stuff into my image book, and I'm a few months away from introducing this to my 6-year-old. The image book is a great tool, and it's a tool that you create. How will you fill your image book?